In 1901, divers exploring a Roman shipwreck near the Greek island of Antikythera discovered what would revolutionize our understanding of ancient technology. Among the artifacts lay a corroded bronze mechanism that would challenge everything historians believed about ancient Greek capabilities. The Antikythera mechanism, dating to approximately 100 BCE, contains over 30 bronze gears working in precise mathematical harmony. This extraordinary device could predict solar and lunar eclipses, track planetary movements, and calculate the timing of Olympic Games decades in advance. Modern CT scans revealed the mechanism's sophisticated gear ratios match those needed for astronomical calculations. The Greeks had essentially created the world's first analog computer, demonstrating mathematical and engineering prowess that wouldn't be seen again until medieval clockwork appeared over a millennium later. This remarkable artifact proves that ancient civilizations possessed far more advanced technological knowledge than previously imagined, forever changing our perception of human innovation.